Clearing the fog. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, clear the fog. This idiom might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we're here to demystify it for you. So, let's dive in. Clear the fog is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of making something confusing become clear. Imagine a foggy day when you can't see clearly. Then, the fog lifts, and everything becomes visible and understandable. Similarly, when we clear the fog in a situation, we are making things clearer and more comprehensible. To better understand how to use clear the fog, let's look at some examples. In decision-making, once I listed the pros and cons, it helped to clear the fog regarding my job options. In understanding concepts, this tutorial really helped to clear the fog on how to use this software. In communication, we had a detailed discussion, which really cleared the fog about our project goals. There are other expressions that convey a similar meaning. For instance, shed light on, used to indicate providing information or clarity about a subject. Make heads or tails of, to attempt to understand something confusing or complex. Use clear the fog in contexts where clarification or understanding is achieved. Remember, it's typically used metaphorically, not to describe actual weather conditions. It's a great phrase for business, educational, or personal contexts where clarity is key. We hope this video has helped to clear the fog on what this idiom means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and greatly improves your fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.